sex me slow. And yes, I must react to claims of those who say